Hello guys, so in this video we are going to discuss three problems of AtCoder Beginner Contest 240 A, B and C. And A, the edge checker. In this problem we are given a circular line, both ends connected to each other. We have also given A and B, so we have to check if A and B are directly connected or not. So 1 and 2 here is directly connected, but 1 and 3 is not directly connected because it is connected via 2, and 10 and 1 are also connected. The given constraints are B is always greater than A. So we have to check if B minus 1 is equal to A. If this condition is true, then we can print yes. And for this condition also, where the B is n and A is 1, then also we have to print yes. Okay, so we will see code of this question. So first we have to take inputs for A and B. And then we have to check if B minus 1 is equal to A, or B is equal to 10 and A is equal to 1, then we have to print yes. Else we have to print no. So let's try to submit this. So as you can see, the solution is accepted. Now problem B, count distinct integers. In this problem we have given an array of n integers and we have to count the number of different integers. So in this test case we can see 1, 4 and 2, these three are only different integers, so the output is 3. In this we have 3, 1, 4, 5, 9, 2 and 6 distinct integers. So there are 7 distinct integers, so the output is 7. We can simply use set for this question, or we can also the given constraints are very low, so we can use brute force also, but we have set, so we will use set for this question. The first input is integer n, the number of elements. Then there is array of n integers, and actually we don't have to put it into array, but let's put it. It does not matter much because of the constraints. And then we have set. We will put every integer into set, and as the set has property that it only contains distinct elements, so we can directly print the size of the set. And this will give us the answer. As you can see, the solution is accepted. And Problem C, jumping Takashi. Takashi is standing at the coordinate 0. So Takashi is standing at coordinate 0 on number line. We have to find he will perform n jumps either of AI either AI steps from his position or BI steps from his position. So we have to tell if it is possible for him to be at coordinate x after n jumps. So n and x are given 2 and 10, and we have to print yes if he can go to 10, or we have to print no if he can go to he can't go to x. So in the first test case, we can go to 10 by choosing B1 and A2. So for this problem, what we will do first is calculate the minimums, and we will make another array which will contain the difference between these two arrays, and the minimum, we will subtract all the minimums of these two from n, so that we will get n n should be a positive integer. If it is positive, then it is possible. It is not guaranteed that it is possible, but it can be possible. Or if n gets negative, then it isn't possible. So, and it will simplify the problem, because we are subtracting two arrays and we are only using one array. So let's do its code. The input is n, x, and the two arrays. So n constraints are very low, so we don't have to worry much about time complexity here. We will take input of n and x, and then we will create two arrays, array A of n integers and array B of n integers, and we will take input of these two arrays. And while we are taking input, we will also subtract minimum of AI and BI. So if x is positive, then it will be only possible to Takashi to go to x. So, and we will also create another array C, in which we will put the difference between these two arrays. A of I minus B of I. If x is less than 0, then it is not possible for Takashi to go till the end. Else it is possible. So what we'll do, we will just return here if no is printed. Now we will create another array. We have to do DP here. So now it is become very simple DP problem, where x is given, where we have to go, and one array is given which steps we can make. So now we will create a boolean array of x plus 1, because we have to reach till x, and initialize it as false. and we will initialize the 0th, because we can go to 0. If we just don't take any path or any element in C, we can go to 0. So we will initialize it as true, and now we will iterate each time through this loop, and we will check if it is possible to go till answer of we will check if it is possible to go till x plus 1 by using dp. So here int I equals to j equals to x plus 1 and j is greater than equal to 0 j minus minus. We will go from the end till the start of the answer array, and we will check if j minus c of I j minus c of I is greater than or equal to 0, and answer of j minus c of I is true, then we will make answer of j equals to true. And finally, if answer of x is true, then we will print yes, else we will print no. So now let's try to submit this code. As you can see, the solution is accepted. If you gain little bit of knowledge from my video, then please do subscribe and like this video. Thank you.